The data import log provides a way to review the results of an import operation and identify errors in items that were not imported. From the File menu, select Utilities, then View Data Import Log. Select a date and optionally a time from the Available Logs column on the left. You have the following additional options in the log. You can select the Show Errors Only checkbox at the top of the window to make it easier to identify where errors occurred. You can click a hyperlink in the entry, if available, to take you to the corresponding program area where you can review the record in question. Click Print to print the log. When finished, click Close. And that's how you use the data import log.